Today, I'm going to teach you how to print a PDF file without trim marks using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is particularly useful when you want a clean print without those extra cutting guides that are typically used in professional printing. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open Adobe Acrobat Pro DC on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to access all your recent files and documents. Navigate to the Recent Files section, which should be readily visible on your main screen. From here, locate and select the specific PDF file that you want to print without those trim marks. This makes it easy to jump right into the file you need without having to browse through multiple folders. With your file now open, direct your attention to the upper left panel of the screen. Here you'll find the menu option. Click on Menu, and from the drop-down that appears, select Print. This will open up the print dialog box, which is where we'll make the necessary adjustments to remove those trim marks from your final output. Once the print dialog is open, look for the Advanced button and click on it. This section gives you access to more detailed printing options that aren't available in the basic print settings. It's here that we can fine-tune exactly how our document will appear when printed. In the Advanced settings, you'll need to find and click on Marks and Bleeds. This is the section that controls all those professional printing guides, including trim marks, bleed marks, and registration marks. By default, some of these options might be checked, which is why they appear on your printed document. Now here's the crucial step. You'll see a checkbox beside trim marks. Go ahead and uncheck this box. By doing this, you're telling Adobe Acrobat that you don't want those cutting guides to appear on your printed document. This gives you a clean, professional-looking print without any extra marks along the edges. After unchecking the trim marks option, click OK to confirm these settings. This will take you back to the main print dialog where all your adjustments have now been applied. You're almost ready to complete this process. Next, click the Print button to proceed with printing your document. At this stage, you'll be prompted to select where you want to save the file on your computer. Browse through your folders and choose the location that makes the most sense for your workflow and file organization. Before finalizing everything, you have the option to rename the file if needed. This is helpful if you want to distinguish this version from others or simply want a more descriptive file name. Once you're satisfied with the location and file name, click Save, and there you have it. You've successfully printed your PDF file without trim marks using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Your document is now clean and ready for use without those professional printing guides. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.